Hey guys, it's Matt for Creative. Today we're taking a look at the Pokemon trading card game, the holiday calendar here for 2025. I did get this for MSRP. They had it at my local Target. You know, I go shopping around there and I'm always kind of looking out for things like this. They did have at least 4, so I decided to grab one of these because I think this is a good little deal, and also it is absolutely the only thing that's available right now for MSRP. Everything else you're going to have to pay high prices for. Now, what you get in here, we will not be opening up the packs in this video, but we're just showcasing everything that you get and the kind of look of everything. You get 8 foil cards with a festive stamp. You get 6 full booster packs, which is kind of what we're looking for here. That's what really matters. 7 3-card fun packs. I believe it's a 99% assurance that you don't get any hits in a fun pack. You get 2 Pokemon coins, and then what I really think is just a waste of a day, 2 Pokemon sticker sheets, plus find a code card for Pokemon TCG Live. All right, so I think we just kind of open it. Yeah, we open it like this. And if you want to see the openings of the actual packs, check out my other channel, M8B9, where we rip packs, look at different random things. That channel is really random, so it's not like this one here. But let's take a look and see exactly what we get. So first of all, I like this setup. I think it's a beautiful looking holiday box. Right now it's about 85 degrees here in New York City, so we don't feel any of that. But look, okay, actually let's look at this side first. So we open it up here, we have a beautiful holiday themed, like I love the snow, I love the fireplace, I love everything. I think it looks great. But then let's look at this, which is the same thing, but from the inside. So again, what we're gonna do is, so we start with 1, right? We go with 1 and then we go to what, 24, 25. So we have 25 things. And we're going to see exactly, like, does this build up the hype? Because I used to get these little chocolate advent calendars, holiday calendars, when I was growing up. And always 24 or 25, that would have been literally the best prize. Let's see if they stick to something like that here. So we kind of, oh, I've ruined this already. Go in here. Let's see what the first day would be giving us. First day is a regular Articuno here with the stamp. So at least we get to see the promo cards. I'm not tearing those open, but we get to see them. On day number 2, looks like our very first brand new full pack. This is Journey Together. This is great. Look at that. I think we all love this. I'm putting these on the side here. Again, the regular packs are what we're looking for. The fun packs they're not really anything. Let's see exactly what we get on day 3, which would be December 3rd if you open this. Another holographic with the stamp. I think that little stamp is nice. Now there is a holo, what is it, EX? Oh, I'll let you know, because there's a card in here that I really do like. So we did 3. Now we're doing number 4. Do you see 4? It's right here. So we do 4, and this, I believe, oh, it's Temporal Forces. I didn't know we got, I literally thought it was just Journey Together and Destined Rivals. Okay, so we got another full pack here. A little disappointed because I'm always looking for those new packs. Never was a big fan of Temporal Forces. But that's for day 4, so this should be, okay, they're really top loading this. You're getting your packs early on. So that was what, day 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Day 5 gave us, so far we have 3 packs. So we're starting the month out great. But that's already 3 out of the 6. That's a little bit weird. Where's number 6? Okay, number 6 is all the way at the top here. And I think we have our first, oh, this would be terrible. So I don't care a thing about these stickers whatsoever. You're getting a Pokemon product. I know there's a lot of waste in there. Like, there's always going to be boxes and tins and stuff that a majority of us are not really going to use. We're all here pretty much for the cards and the card packs. Is this another Paradox Rift? Okay, I think I was going crazy because my friend opened up one of these and I was having the expectation, and I think honestly yeah, it was showing, wait, I gotta put the box on the floor. Wait a second, is this from a previous year? It can't be. Because I know that we got at least 2 or 3 Destined Rivals in this. So we now have 4 packs. If the other 2 aren't Destined Rivals, then this is different than what I thought before. What did we do just right now? We did 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are number 8. 8 is right here. Sorry, I keep on knocking the camera stand, but it's just because this is an awkward opening because we have so. Oh, okay. This is a fun pack. Fun packs come with 3 cards. They are hitless. These are just fun packs. There's literally nothing that you can get excited about in those unless you're just looking for standard cards. They usually come with things like magazines so that you can just kind of like enjoy the magazine. Okay, we have another promo. I don't like the way that the promos are kind of stuck. And they kind of, ooh, that is a beautiful looking card in my case, in my opinion here with that stamp. And again, we must be a 10. We must be at 10 over here. Sorry, kind of off camera. This is another fun pack. A Journey Together fun pack for 10. 11. Maybe we go through a little bit of just fun packs. Yeah, and then, honestly, I'm destroying these things. A Destined Rivals fun pack, which is good, but you know we're not going to get any hits off that. 12 is going to be right down here, where we get Destined Rivals. A very crushed Destined Rivals, so if we get anything that we grade, it's not going to be great. This is why I really don't like this box that much. It just kind of like messes with things. We're moving to 13 where it's stickers. 14 is, I think it's a fun pack. Destined Rivals fun pack. 15, promo. What promo do we get? Pikachu promo. Everybody loves a Pikachu, but it's not even on theme. There's no snow behind him. It's just kind of like something that's probably been used a bunch of times with that stamp. That was 15. So 16. That's tiny. Oh, this must be the coin. That's funny. It literally fell out. A coin that I don't care about. 17. Promo card. Which promo card? Eevee. We have our Eeveelution. Again, not on theme, just with stamp. And what is this? This is... Oh, I've already torn this open. That's great. Oh, this is actually interesting. Look at this. Vanillish, but it is crimped. This is an error. I haven't pulled an error card in a long time, so I have a crimped Vanillish stamped error card. That is interesting. That is interesting. I've never gotten something out like this. Wow, okay. That's interesting. What was that, 18? We got 20. Oh, we got 19, sorry, yeah. 19 is another promo card. Krygonal. Regular. Not damaged, not anything, just regular. We get our Journey Together fun pack. 21. Another Destined Rivals fun pack. So we're due for one of our last set. So coin, Pikachu coin, cute coin. Actually, I don't mind that one. 23 is, this should be Destined Rivals. This is Destined Rivals. But here's where I'm not the biggest fan. So 24, this should be a big thing. It's right before Christmas. It's right before the end of everything. Oh, okay. So this is that Glaceon with stamp. I like this card. I really do like this card. But what do we get on the 25th? On the 25th, we get a fun pack. On the biggest day, well, I guess maybe they assume people are getting other gifts on Christmas Day, if this is a holiday calendar. But is this the stocking stuffer? Is this the major prize at the end? I would actually have this flipped. This would be on the 23rd. That would be on the 25th. But just my opinion. So let's put this down. Let's see what we got. We got 4 Destined Rivals fun packs, which is just random stuff. 3 Journey Together fun packs. We got a bunch of these stamped promos that we took a look at here. The Glaceon being my favorite and the most interesting, being a Vanillish with the crimping error. And then finally, well, actually, not finally, we did get a coin in this. I honestly don't care about these. But here's what we care about the most. 2 Destined Rivals, Paradox Rift, Journey Together, Temple Forces Paradox, or Journey Together. So these are what we got. Out of all of these, I would say the most relevant things that people care about are these 4 packs in totality of this entire box, which does go for $49.99. Is this relevant to you? Is this worth it to you? I mean, it would be fun to have this as an advent calendar building up to the holidays, but in all honesty, for me, it's the only thing that you could get at Target, and that's all we really got. Because again, we're not getting anything out of these. So a little bit disappointing. What do you guys think? This is the 2025 holiday calendar from the Pokemon trading card game. Let's hope we get something good out of these. So check the other channel out. That's M8B9.